What's up, guys? It's Crazy Dude, and today, I don't know if you knew, but I live in Florida, so it's some days before we get hit by the hurricane. I walk with my dog right now, so that's why I was bored, so I thought I should vlog about it. So here's the thing: it's called Hurricane Irma. It's actually pretty bad. It's category 5. It's gonna hit right to us. I live in Coral Springs, which is gonna hit me a lot. I don't know the damages. Many people have just went to other states and things. Flights have been canceled. Everything. It's pretty sad, but I mean, if it's about to come, it's about to come. Like, I can't do anything about it. Okay, guys, so it's one day before we're having a countdown. I'm gonna do this video. I'm gonna just make it a video full for Hurricane Irma. One day before, we are on a Friday, 8th, 6:17 p.m. I'm fully prepared. I'm not really prepared. I mean, I have gotten my electronics in my bag, some clothes if I need to leave. I'm gonna get I hope I get some content for you guys tomorrow. And the electricity is gonna cut out, so probably this is gonna be posted. I'm gonna post like the whole video after the hurricane. People like keep on telling me why am I so positive and everything about this. Well, I have to be cool about it. I have to be calm, because you know, if one person loses their calm, everybody loses their calm. And second of all, if there's something to happen, it's gonna happen. That's what I believe, that our story is already written, so if something's gonna happen, it's gonna happen one way or another. So I'm gonna get some good content, I hope. That's all I care about, actually. To get some good content for you guys. Okay, guys, so September 9th, it's on a Saturday, and we started getting a lot of wind. In the morning it started raining very fast, and then it stopped, and it started raining very fast again, and it stopped. They say tomorrow afternoon is gonna be the day which the real thing is gonna happen. And shall it begin? So guys, a tree just fell in our driveway. The neighbor's tree. What the? Look at this. It's currently September 10th, 8 a.m. and look what's happening. It's crazy. I can't believe there's so much wind, there's everything, there's so much wind. The tree has fell. It's horrible. It's horrible. We're 8 p.m. Sunday. Look what's happening. Oh my God. The wind is strong as hell. What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day. It's on a Monday. It's very sunny outside. I'm gonna go show you everything, how it looks, I'll walk around the neighborhood to show you how it looks. So enjoy.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna go help a little bit because it's very bad. It's not bad, I mean, we expected more to happen, so I'm gonna go help a little bit. So if you like, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and like. Peace.